No religion buys bread cheaper. None buys fuel cheaper. It's everybody's. If there's a problem, it's a problem for everybody. Can you show me where Muslims buy bread cheaper so I can go there and buy? Can you show me where they buy rice and food cheaper? No. So these are critical things that we're all learning. We're all the same. It is critical that we love each other. We care for each other. So I've come here to support them in breaking the fast by probably, that's it.
So sorry, sir. To those people saying there's a political undertone to this, what would you say to them?
There's no election. I didn't come time of election. I would have come for when there was election. I came then when there's no election. Because I believe in this.
Okay, so
like I said before, it's not about election. Election doesn't make bread cheaper.
Okay, Your Excellency.